To invest or not to invest in 2024? This is the question I'll try to answer in this video. 2023 was a good year for the stock market, a year in which a bear market that started in 2022 ended, and the market re-entered an upward trend. We saw increases both on the developed international stock markets in the USA and in Europe. For this year, we have quite a few reasons to believe that the stock market should grow, but also quite a few reasons that urge us to be cautious. Let's take a look on the reasons for the stock market to grow in 2024. First, the S&P 500 index has re-entered a bull market, rising 24% in 2023 after correcting 25% in the previous year, 2022. However, it has not yet reached its previous high of 4,796 points reached on January 3, 2022. It was very close to this maximum in December 2023 with 4,750 points, but it did not reach it. Usually, the new bull market tends to make new all-time highs versus the old bull market. The situation is different now in April 2024 as we speak of a price of $5,204. Could this be the new all-time high? The Fed announced successive interest rate cuts. Lower interest rates stimulate the economy and positively influence share prices. Third, technological progress in the AI area that will generate more productivity and cost cuts. Here, the impact will definitely be significant in the medium and long term. Statistically, the years with presidential elections in the USA are predominantly positive for the US stock market. Statistics are not random. In the USA, the population keeps a large part of their retirement savings in stock market investments. Thus, politicians have every interest in adopting positive measures for the stock market in the year of election. It's a kind of electoral bribe. The inflation continues to decrease. Already in the USA and the Eurozone, we have inflation around 3%, which is not really scary anymore. I hope you found interesting data so far, and before we move to the analysis on the reasons why stock market could decrease in 2024, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you get informed whenever I post new videos. Let's take a look now on the reasons for the stock market to decrease in 2024. In 2023, all major economies alternated between stagnation, small declines, or anemic growth. The forecasts for the year 2024 are not more optimistic. Secondly, armed conflicts in Ukraine and the Gaza Strip. Escalation of these conflicts can generate big falls on the stock market. Another reason is increasing tensions between developed countries led by USA and emerging countries led by China. Very large budget deficits worldwide. We are at a time when budget deficits have begun to hang heavily on the states of the world. We had an explosion of these budget deficits in 2020 with the outbreak of the COVID pandemic, and then an even greater increase due to the high interest that states have to pay today for borrowed money. This may trigger the entry of some states into insolvency and cuts in government spendings. If you haven't yet invested, What is your opinion now that you know all of this? Leave your comments and I'll be happy to read them and reply. If you are an active investor, is your portfolio evolving as expected or not? Deciding whether you invest or not must be assumed by each individual because it depends on each person's risk profile, experience, and life context. Be wise and always get informed before you move to action because information is the superpower, and here I provide quality data well fundamented in your own benefit. I'm Elena Melnik, a professional banker for over 18 years. Follow me and get inspired to become financially independent by watching my movies. See you!